Welcome to Thena's channel. This is 55 modern kitchen hacks to transform your cooking space with stylish and functional designs. Where we explore innovative ideas to enhance the beauty, efficiency, and practicality of your kitchen. Whether you're looking to optimize small spaces, upgrade storage solutions, or simply add a touch of elegance to your cooking area, these hacks are guaranteed to inspire and excite you. In this video, you'll discover clever ways to maximize your kitchen's potential, from space-saving shelving ideas to creative use of lighting that transforms the ambience. Learn how to incorporate modern materials like sleek metals and eco-friendly finishes for a contemporary look that doesn't compromise on warmth and charm. We'll also showcase unique designs that blend functionality and aesthetics, such as pull-out pantries, hidden appliance compartments, and minimalist islands that double as dining areas. If you've ever struggled with clutter or felt your kitchen lacked personality, these solutions will spark ideas that make your kitchen a place of joy and creativity. From smart storage hacks that keep your counters clean to innovative layouts that make cooking a breeze, this video is packed with tips and tricks that suit every style and budget. Explore timeless color palettes, ingenious organization tools, and customizable cabinetry that perfectly fits your needs. Thank you for watching this video on Thena's channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Like this video if you found it helpful, and share your thoughts or favorite hacks in the comments below. Happy watching, and let's make your kitchen the heart of your home.